Faro.
So this is Praia do Farol, which is a small island from the boat trip that we made from Olhão, and now we'll have a look around. You can check the calm waters, calm and transparent, and the water is hot too. Oh boy, looks like my skipper left me stranded. I'll have to look for alternatives. Okay, so here comes my ride back to mainland.